We fix the key tightly, cover it with epoxy resin, and the matrix for copies is ready. If the key is broken in the lock, just pick it up and take it out. Take a piece of hose and cover it with a rubber pipe. Then fill it inside with resin. That's it. If you bend the edges of the washer a little, then after screwing it in, it will hold the mount more securely. If you sharpen the bolt from both sides to sharpness, insert it into the screwdriver and make a small recess in the bar. Then the screw will fit perfectly into it. In order to accurately mark the place of the cut at the steel pipe, use ordinary scissors. Look, it works! To hammer a nail in a hard-to-reach place, just take a chisel, attach it to the nail and knock on the base with a hammer. That's it. That's how professional dowels work. Is the charging cable torn? Ordinary clamps will help you with this. We'll put a few on top of the cable and then cut off the excess. Now it will last much longer. We'll make 2 holes in the plastic bucket on the opposite sides. We'll pull the socket and plug there. Connect them? No, it's too easy to disconnect, for this will additionally wrap them with a yoke. Now it's reliable. This design will protect the wires from moisture. Here's how to fold the hose easily and quickly. Learn. Let's take the hinges and the blade of the stationary knife. Fix it inside with the help of such a nut. The position can be adjusted. Cut off the extra part and get a convenient tool for exposing the wires. That's how you need to twist the wire, quickly and firmly. To firmly connect 2 boards with such a fastening, we'll make 2 holes, fill them with glue and insert wooden plugs. Cut off the excess and you're done. To open the lock with a screwdriver, it's enough to determine at what depth the mechanism is located, and then drill the lock. That's it. Now it's easy to open. There's a bunch of different remotes lying around the house. Put them together. Check their operability, and then fold them like this and wrap them with insulating tape. Now all the remotes are always in one place. If you pull 2 rubber balls on a wooden stand, then it will no longer slide on the floor. And here's an example of a simple but extremely convenient shelf for tools. And how do you like this option of a tool stand? All you need is a board and 2 laces. But what a practical one! To always make only straight lines on plastic pipes, an ordinary steel corner will do. Look for yourself. We wrap a wooden block with sandpaper, and then we'll attach a similar bar on top. Here's such a convenient and safe tool for grinding. If you make such wavy notches on a plastic card, it turns into the most convenient tool for distributing glue. Let's take plastic tubes and divide them into small segments. Some of them will need to be cut down at an angle. Now we're assembling our construction with glue and a wooden stand. Here's such a convenient organizer. We divide a large plastic bottle into 3 parts, get rid of the middle one immediately, and put a roll of toilet paper in the bottom one. Pull the paper through the neck and close the design. A very convenient and practical thing for the kitchen. 20 cents fit perfectly into the hole of the grinder disc. Let's make a hole in the coin. Fix it in the center of the disc. With the help of a long bolt, washers and nuts, we'll complete our design and insert it into the screwdriver. We fix the wooden bar to the board with steel hinges and screws. This design is great for fixing thin materials with slicing.